So here is Google Meet. When you want to start up your class with Google Meet, you just go here. You either schedule if you are the host, or you enter the meeting code here, or you join the link of the host. Okay, if you are not the host. But if you are the host, just go here, create your meeting link. This one is very important. Let's create our meeting link. Once you tap on that blue icon, it will give you options, which are these ones you're seeing over here. Create a meeting for later if you want to schedule the meeting that you have later. If you want to create an instant meeting, once you tap it, it will open up the meeting, the class for the meeting. Just open it up. Then here says schedule in calendar. Okay, so let's do this. Schedule a meeting for later. We are going to use this one we are creating now for our class on Friday. Okay, so we are scheduling. Here is your joining information. It has just created it automatically. It did not give us the opportunity to fix our date or time or whatever. I just said send this to people you want to meet with. Be sure to save it so you can use it for later. So we are going to copy. I've copied it and I'm going to send it in the group. Where is the group? Okay, so that is it. You have created a meeting link. Now here, over here, if you are unable to join a meeting, you can just enter the code here. Okay, but then if you can just join from the link. There is always a link, just like the one I dropped in the group. There is always a link for you to join in. Tap on it and join. Okay, so let me show you the features of Google Meet. We are going to create an instant meeting. Once you tap on create instant, you come over here, you find yourself in this place. Google Meet and Zoom are the most widely used platforms for online classes. Okay, there are other ones, but most people will just prefer Zoom, and most people strictly prefer Google Meet. Whichever one works, it's good that you know how to make use of both. Okay, so it's still opening. Once you click on instant meeting, it's going to bring you here, and it will tell you to add others or share the meeting link. Here, once you click on that instant meeting, it will bring you to this place telling you to add others or share the meeting link. Look at the meeting link here. Just copy it and share it anywhere you want to share it. Now we are in the platform, in Google Meet platform. What are you going to do? I want to show you some things, some features of this Google Meet, and then that will be all for today. So here you have the audio. I hope you are seeing my purple pointer. Good. So down here you have, let me also use annotation. Let me also use Zoom annotation. Change the color to white. Down here, over here you have the audio setting. Okay, and then down this other side you have the video setting. If you are using external video, like if you're using external camera, you can decide to set it up there. Okay, I have external camera. If I want to connect it, if I want to use my external camera, I can use it. This is an external camera. I used to use it. So you can plug it to your device and then use this video setting here and connect it. Okay, then you have here, when you want to share your screen, just like I'm sharing, this is where you will go. Now let me give you a tip. anytime you are in any learning management system, any platform where you want to teach, always look out for an icon that looks like this, with this arrow pointing up. That is where you will always have to share your screen. If you want to share your screen, you always go there and share your screen. You will see it in Zoom, you will see it in WhatsApp. When you are doing video call, you want to share your screen, you will see it there. Okay, and here is emojis. Once I tap it, you will see emojis. You see the reactions coming up and all that. Are you guys seeing those stuff? Are you seeing those stuff I'm bringing up there? Hello? Okay, let's continue. So that is it, and here is for captions. Okay, then over here is another feature. Then here you have videos in the screen. Come over here and do open picture to picture. If you want to change your background, this is where you will change your background. Okay, this is where you adjust the view of your screen. You want to be seeing yourself in the middle and all that. This is where you're going to adjust the screen. Okay, so here is for chats. Just like we have in Zoom, this place is for chat, where you have to type in your chat. And over here you have so many tools right over here. So you go ahead and explore the many tools available right there. Okay, so here host control also. Over here, that down there is the host control tools. Okay, there you see it there. That's the host control tools. Okay, I think that's all. That is all. So you're going to explore. I'm going to give you opportunity to explore and send in the homework. Okay, go ahead, explore and send in your homework. Okay, that will be all for today. I will see you in our next class.